Thank you, everyone. You may now be seated as we continue with the remainder of the commencement program. The diplomas have been distributed and conferred to the graduates in advance. The program will now proceed with the presentation of graduates on stage to be congratulated by the university officials. The graduates shall be assisted onto the stage by members of the faculty and of the registration services. Engineer Rick Mark V. Gardin, Department Chairperson of Electrical Engineering, will introduce the graduates from the Electrical Engineering Department.
Presenting the graduates of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering, Abagon Jerry Nash R. Abanes Diego Antonio M. Abel Kim Hardy B. Abelion Luis Altea C. Asidera Jaira Denise C. Acuña King Edric G. Loyalty Awardee. Adahar Maria Angelique F. Africa Neil Andre R. Ahena Aaron A. Agisanta Janine May F. Albania Thea May D. Alday John Lawrence L. Alday Ralph Christian M. Amaro Georgian Ira M. Amorganda Leslie Q. Andal Herman Hill R. Anuevo Clarence Jude E. Arago Jewel Irish R. Arago Joe Francis H. Areta Ralph John L. Arquez Christine Ann G. Artiliaga John Daniel Lee Cum Laude. Atienza John Paul E. Bagunas Daniel A. Bali John Ray C. Baroro John Rafael S. Barriol Christine Joy M. Bautista Anselina A. D. Bautista Nancy Doreen M. Paihon Miki Rafael A. Belo Renz Arian Andre G. Beltran Don Maxwell F. Berina Andrea C. Blanco Christine Joyce A. Loyalty Awardee. Bobo Geoffrey Emmanuel M. Briones Venus Angel C. Bungi Trisha May M. Burgo Josephine M. Kaltawan Junior E. Kabangahan Geraldine F. Kabel Jen Cherish B. Kalikasan John Eric C. Kaluday Rafael E. Kabalaran Kathleen C. Kabalaran Maria Isabel E. Tara J.P. A. Karai Clarence Adrian M. Kanandang John